bird. The baby bird was attacked by cat and woodcutter. And until she will be fine, the bird will stay with us. We tried to send it out, but still. Wait. Yeah, see? See? Very nice bird, oh. And then, we'll give it to Rajvi.
Very naughty bird.
Naughty bird. Put it a little bit down. Little bit down. Not to go up, okay? See? The bird likes to climb.
Subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello guys! Welcome to our channel, the Biryani Vlogs. And today, today's vlog is about Indian spices. So we'll see what are the spices we are using at home, and it's found commonly in every houses in India. It's not something special with here, but maybe in Philippines or other countries, you will find amazed with it. As you will see, guys, in every Indian home, we have like this, that you will find all kind of spices. So you will see it's the 5, but we didn't put all the spices here. We put separately. But in every dishes, you will find the turmeric. The main ingredients for their food is turmeric and the chili powder. These mustard seeds are some using in vegetables, and even fried rice. And last time I make the jeera rice, this is the seeds that I put it. It's a cumin seeds. Sometimes they make it powder and put it in a buttermilk and to add salt in it, and they can drink it can be a good pair with the biryani. And you are familiar with the peppercorn, and this green is cardamom, and this is the star anise, and this is the coriander seeds. We used to grind it and put in some dishes. And my favorite is the whole chili. It gives more aroma. It's like smoky flavor in your dish. And I have here the cinnamon stick. Mostly all the spices you will find in cooking meat, chicken, mutton. You will find this all kind of spices. And another thing is, here you can find the mixed chicken masala, and it's ready to put inside, and you will tell what is the inside. So you don't need to buy every spices, because you can find it. I already tell kung walang ulam, yun na yung chili mixture, kasi gusto nila spicy. So with just rutli and rutla, they can have already that chili mixture. Yun na yung ulam nila. Another one, the simple food that they have is the fried rice. In Philippines, we used to put some ginisa mix, magic sarap, whatever enhancer to make the food tasty. Dito, wala. So, in fried rice, they will just have the jeera rice, jeera seeds, cumin seeds, what I put in the rice last time, and they don't put onion or garlic. They will just add turmeric powder and chili. Ganun lang kasimple yung fried rice dito, and usually eaten early in the morning. Yung mga leftover sa gabi, yung rice, you will fry it in the morning with the cumin seeds and chili powder and turmeric. Yun na yun with a hot milk tea. So, yun na yung here in the village, you will find it almost houses, those who have leftover rice, or the rotli itself. One of the reason, guys, why I took out all the spices, because it's my sister-in-law's birthday and we make chicken biryani. Kaya ayun, meron kaming all the spices have to taken out. But our cook for today, he don't want to show his face, but he promised to show to have one video that he's cooking his special biryani. That's his promise. Sisingilin natin minsan. Uh, this is one of my our secret in biryani that will gives aromatic taste on it is the this one. Ang init na. This, if you will see, there is a caul inside, and the caul, this will put in the middle. It's not middle. Wala pala akong assistant. In the middle, and we have our homemade clarified butter or ghee, and we will add on this in the caul, guys. There is smoke already, and that smell will give the nice aromatic in our chicken biryani. Hindi siya natin bubuksan until kakain na. Kasi pag bukas yan, it will be enticing to eat already. Then who have birthday?
No one has birthday.
This is our simple cake.
સુખાવ છો તમે બધા બિરયાની છે બિરયાની
What's that?
છે
Whatever there is.
બિરયાની છે
It's tasty, Rajvi.
Bitter.
Oy.
જો પર જો Jerusalem.
Dito guys, yung ulam, simple lang talaga. Hindi kagaya sa atin na may mga sinasahog or we have to buy MSG or any flavor that will add taste to our vegetables. Dito, it's like cabbage. They will just add potato on it, and they will fry with garlic together with the mustard seeds, chili powder, salt, and turmeric. So, ganun siya kasimple ang mga ulam. Mas madalas makikita mo with potato. It's like sitaw. They will fry the sitaw with the potato. Or and my last vlog is I was telling about leaves that look like kamyas. It's called a curry plant or the curry leaves that always used for cooking. So when they fry rice, they put also this, or they will fry yung munggo. Ito din nilalagay nila, or they will just fry the smashed potatoes. They will put this smashed potatoes with mustard seeds. Ayun na yun, ulam na nila yon. Ulam pala namin. And some other dishes they used to put this. Even chicken curry, mutton curry, they're adding this. It's give aroma, but my husband don't like this. He's not, I think, Indian. So, hindi siya kamyas, kundi curry plant, and one of the main ingredients here in Indian cuisine. And that's our vlog for today. Hope you enjoy our Indian spices tour. Till next time, thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, and hope you learn something different today in my vlog. Thank you. Bye.